We got some really cold temperatures and some snow going right now, so we decided to work inside today and move forward some more with the installation of our wood boiler. So we've got 1-inch PEX that we're using. I had to buy this big crimping tool to be able to crimp the different sections together with these rings. It's quite the device. It's heavy. And then we have this cutter that we also bought for the big PEX. So anyway, we had to get some tools ready. We did 2 holes through from our water heater to our furnace, and we ran 1 pipe through. This one's got a shut off, and the other one will hook up right here. We've got to get underneath the house then to finish this, so we'll be coming in through the floor here by the water heater twice from the Rhinoflex insulated pipe that we ran before it got cold. And we are going to be, one of them will be bringing in the hot water from the boiler to this exchanger, heat exchanger for the water heater. It's a 10 plate. And then the other one will, and that will go on from here over to the furnace then to run across that heat exchanger, which we also put in today. It's right here. That's the heat exchanger there. So then the other line will be what goes back out again and like runs back through the wood boiler. So got to start at least. We feel good that we got started on it. We'll probably get down under the house tomorrow, which will be tons of fun, and work some more because it's supposed to be really chilly again tomorrow. And then Sunday, hopefully we're back outside working on wood since we need to get some cords ready. All right, we're outside in the building working on the installation today because we were going to try to hook up to the Rhinoflex to PEX under the house, but we were still missing some parts, connectors, right? Wasn't it? What was it that we're missing?
We're missing an 1.25 inch, the rings that press. Okay. For the
to go from
the PEX.
The PEX to the Rhinoflex, right? Like right. It's a, yeah. Okay. So anyway, today we're working in here, getting some things in here and so because it's still really cold outside. And we're going to punch this hole out because this is where the PEX is going to go in and out, right?
Yep.
It's like you need to break those edges. Got the circulation pump installed.
Okay, we got the electrical hooked up to the circulation pump. You can't probably see it, but down where that pink tape is the Rhinoflex, and we just need to come and hook it to that part, and we're done with that side. Here we have a 4-foot section of chimney pipe. We're going to be adding it to the top of the G7000. It'll go up and out through the roof. We have a Duravent kit over here that'll get us through the roof. And so here we go, installing the first section.
High enough so you can set it in. Hopefully it works. And then it twists. Yeah, feels like it's locked in.
Very good.
Yeah.
First section up.
Okay.
Putting up the second piece. chimney section, I should say. It's up there high enough, and we don't have scaffolding, so Lori's trying to battle the ladder to get it on there.
I'm not bending anything.
Yeah, don't.
I think I got it.
She got it. Good job, Lori.
Thanks. Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be working on our boiler. We got to get the pipe up and out through the top of our building, and we rented a scissor lift, so we're going to use that to get the hole in the top drilled so the double wall pipe can go through it, and put the top on it so we have it vented. So that's what we're doing today.
You're gonna hit it if you come my way.
Yeah, that is going to be that's definitely going to be where you're going to have to watch what you're doing.
Yeah.
Knock yourself out up there. That'd be great, wouldn't it?
Oh,
Did you hit your head? See?
after I warned you.
We had a bit of an issue here. We had a problem with where the chimney pipe is going to hit. It was going to hit that wood that goes across the top, one of the supports, and so we had to, we're going to have to move the boiler over a little bit, and to do that, we had to move these bricks that are under the boiler over. And so how we did that was we used a scissor jack. It's a 2-ton, and it lifted up the corners. We were able to scoot the bricks forward, so now we have room to just hopefully, with Little Red, hit the legs now and scoot it about 6 inches that direction toward the wall so that it will miss that board up there. All right, here we go. It worked. Little Red was able to push him back on the bricks. Just he hit the legs with the bucket and pushed back. So I'm gonna move these back a little bit with that same scissor jack so they're not sticking out so we trip on them when we walk by. But yeah, that worked really well. So now hopefully, I think it made it so we're not gonna have to run into that piece of wood up there. All right, so we got Steve loaded up with his tools. Looks like we got a new tin snip tool that's a power tool right there. Cut sheet metal, and then we got something to drill a pilot hole with and a level. Tin snips, hopefully. It barely misses it still, doesn't it?
Yeah. I hope I'm okay to lean out. Drop my pin. be safe.
Cutting out the insulation. So we're gonna definitely drill a pilot hole here, right? Because I think we're gonna go into our backyard to the outside and maybe do some of it.
Alright, let's see what happens now.
Decided to try the grinder because the other wasn't working. Awesome. Good job, baby.
Thanks. Lori's up in the Genie scissor lift, getting ready to put the outside metal that seals keeps the chimney from leaking. Well, there's actually 3 separate pieces. The one she has in her hand, then there's a storm collar, and then there is the cap that goes on top of that. Chimney's almost finished. Lori's putting the storm collar around the base of it, and we may need to add a brace around the upper part of the chimney back to the roof. It's sticking up quite a ways, about 5 feet, I'd say.